Hi, welcome back. We're going to be talking about this screwdriver. And in my opinion, this is the best screwdriver for the money that you can get. You know how you get those coupons from Harbor Freight to get a free thing with any purchase? A lot of times it's those multimeters, a lot of times it's those flashlights. Well, this time it was this screwdriver. And actually I've gotten quite a few of these, and I actually like this screwdriver quite well. I like it so much I have one of these in just about every utility drawer around the house and in every toolbox. It's nice to have this handy. I just grabbed one of these because you got the different tips. You got 2 sizes of Phillips and 2 sizes of regular. Plus you have 2 of the most common nut driver sizes right there. It's 3/16 and a 1/4 inch. So that really comes in handy. So you're really getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools in one. And it's really built quite well. But let's open this up and show you what I like. And I'll show you what I don't like about it. So first of all, you have to load your tips into the shaft there. So you have a tip on either side, whatever you want. It can be either way, either Phillips or regular. And that just fits into the screwdriver handle. That's a good solid handle. I can really get a grip on that. And it really feels comfortable, ergonomic. So like I say, I've got quite a few of these just because it's a nice screwdriver to grab. And if you need to change it, you just switch it on the end. Likewise, if you need that 3/16 nut driver, there it is. And if you need a bigger one, you just flip that shaft around and you have that one loaded with either a Phillips or a regular screwdriver or a 1/4 inch nut driver. And these tips are really good and solid. They don't strip out. These have been holding up quite nicely. Even though it's a cheap screwdriver, it's not a cheap screwdriver. I really like this thing. So that's really nice and that's really handy, except there's a couple things I don't like about this, and they're both related to the same thing. It's not magnetic. You can see that there's a ball that holds that in place instead of your typical magnet. And because of that, there's no magnetism that's transmitted through the tip. Likewise, since it's not magnetic, you don't have any magnetism to hold in a hex screw while you're trying to put it in, which is really difficult. So that's really the downside of this, but still I use it quite a bit as a nut driver. I can pull the screws out really easily. But for installing a new screw, it's kind of hard because you have to hold that screw while you're driving it with the nut driver. So yeah, it would be nice if it was magnetic, but it's the design. We can't have everything. There's always a compromise. So either we can have a reversible tip or we can have a magnetic tip, but we can't do both. So for the money, which in this case is free, this is well worth it. So pick up a couple of these and let me know what you think in the comments. So until the next video, guys, take care.